I'm going to teach you how to add transitions and sound effects to your iMovie. First, you're going to want to open up your movie in iMovie. Next, you're going to want to add a title. So you click on titles at the bottom left, and then you pick the one you want. And once you pick it, you drag it to the beginning of your movie and place it, and then you can trim it by holding the arrows and dragging it. Then you can go up to the top and click Adjust, and you can add text to your title. Next, you want to add transitions, and you can find the one you want. Once you find the one you want, you drag it down and place it where you want the transition to go. And then you can press the space bar and see how it looks. If you want, you can add different transitions to different parts of your movie. Just drag them down and place them. And then press the space bar again to see how your movie looks. Next, we're going to add sound effects. So you go down to the bottom left and add sound effects. And then you pick the one you want, and you drag it down to the bottom of your movie and place it. And then if you don't want it to be the whole length, you can drag it from the end to your beginning, and then you can hit the space bar at the beginning and see how it looks. And there you have your movie.